Welcome to another episode and video on my walking robot Mirft2, based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux. Programmed in Python. It's equipped with two touch sensors on front, one manual sensor near the battery pack, and a camera for use with OpenCV. Last time I found it necessary to add the rubber feet back to the legs, and that didn't go quite as good as I thought, but let's see once again how it behaves. If it behaves. Well, it's connected and then it says pick done. That goes quite fast. Why does it just show pick done? I can't tell. So let's do it again. Connected. And it says again pick done, and I'm not quite pleased with that, obviously. Everything is connected nicely. Let's take the source code with it, and it just doesn't take a picture. So what should I do? It's a brand new, well, not brand new, but it is a freshly charged battery. At least that's what I think it is. Okay, let me think, because twice in a row with bad result is not quite nice. Third attempt. Point is also it doesn't even walk. Oh wait, I understand again. I have to go, in this case, to the normal interface, to the standard interface. No, not this one. This one. Now it will work. And yes, camera connected. And there we go. And this isn't exactly what I want. The left side isn't walking as such. I here think that I haven't heard in a while, so let's quit this and let's examine why that side has a problem. Because I don't like the sound of it. Not at all. It is as if some distance has increased between gears, and damaged gears is the last thing I need, because I don't have spare gears. Anyway, let's see whatever has happened or is happening. Well, as it turns out, on that gear, one of the clamps on the axle had shifted away. Just a little, but enough to get the inner gear here out of line. So I hope that was the cause, otherwise I have to look further. But for now, let's run again. Connected, network error. That's not what I'm waiting for. And connected again. Now we go. I hope. No front sensor. Yeah, no kidding. But it's not walking. Just sending pictures, good pictures. And I hear the motors well, making a sound that it wants to walk, but it doesn't. So let's start again. And it has another error. Controller, yeah, controller must be online and error in camera thread. So let's try it once again. By the way, the rest of the software does run, but it has no effect on the gears and on, there we go. And I'm afraid the left side, okay, the left side seems like walking again. And this time it's taking a left turn instead of a right turn. So that's a difference. What does it do further? Except making images and sending them to the computer. Not much. Okay. It may be that it needs a battery replacement, because it takes a lot of energy to get all the gears in movement or moving. So I guess that I should replace it. In the meantime, the whole software is crawling by, so that is working, but the mechanical part apparently has not enough energy. So be it. Replacement of the battery is quite due now. Right, battery pack has been replaced and it's still waiting for orders, and here you can see that a lot of pictures have been sent by now. Which are these, and to let it make somewhat more sense, none of the images is 0, so that's good. Now which is which, let's try some. Start with the first, which is 1316. This one, that's okay. And once again this, which I still don't get. Premature end of JPEG file, whatever. Then something in the middle. No, it's 9, let's say 14 and 57. This one, okay, here it already has diverted from its course. You no longer see this one or this one. Anyway, let's roll again. Network error, I don't need that. I need it to run. And this was a freshly charged battery. Was, whatever. But this is not what I expect to happen, obviously. Another start. And that's a display flash. Yeah. Why does that happen? It doesn't happen as much as it did, but still, whenever it happens, I'm not quite happy. Yeah, it says online and a lamp flashes, so that's alright. But why doesn't it move? I intended to add more rubber feet like that one, and on the other side as well, but as long as it doesn't move, it makes no sense. Alright, and again. Again a display flash, okay, controller must be online. I don't care about that right now. What I do care about is ROBOPro for testing. So, selecting the correct IP address, test, and then let's say counterclockwise. Well, isn't that obvious? It runs, kind of. And here you can see the difference in left and right. Why is it doing this? And then I mean here. 171 13.99. Well, it does walk, kind of. And it rattles a lot, which is on the left side. And let's have a look. Oops, I can't do that seemingly. But this is, go on. No. Alright, let's do it this way then. Alright. I don't like the rattling gear, but it shows that it works. So why doesn't it work here? And no, I don't like the rattling at all. What's happening? Okay, let's quit this one and have another check on the gear. Right, I have again checked the gears on this side, and I found that one more clamp was not exactly in place, although it was very close, and I added rubber feet or cushions or whatever you can call them under the hind legs. So now all 4 corner legs are equipped with rubber feet, so let's see how that works out. First, once again, let's see, this one, counterclockwise, and how does it walk? Well, not that good. Oh wait, let's watch the motor pulses. No, they're not doing anything. Counterclockwise. Oh right, I have to use them counterclockwise because the robot walks backwards best. And this is not exactly what I envisioned. Oops, let's stop it. Well, yeah, alright, so the left side is doing less at the same speed. Let's get it back. Alright. Let's do it again. Counterclockwise then. Well, it does walk with the feet. So now how does it walk with the own software, because this is of course a test. Let's quit the test. Back in line. Go. It says online, and there it goes. Well, something is happening. I'm just not sure what to think of it. Okay, quit this, do it again. Network error. Okay, let's go back to ROBOPro then. Counterclockwise, counterclockwise. Alright, stop moment. Reset, reset. Counterclockwise, counterclockwise. What does it do? Not much actually, but I don't need to tell you, you can see it. Alright, stopping. Go further. And it says online, that's because the interface test is going online, is doing it. Okay, stop. Software. Online, yep, making connection. So why does it start moving and then do nothing? Except that it makes a lot of pictures, but I want it to move. And then time out. Picture timeout. Is this battery pack? Is this whatever ever? Let's try again. And again. Connected, yes. Nope. And it's quite unfortunate that under Linux and Wine with or ROBOPro and Wine is unable to grab a camera frame. You really need Windows. So I cannot test that anymore. Well, not anymore. I was never able to test that, but where to go from here? Not really sure. As it turns out, it was the battery after all. So the robot went dead and I had to log on, replace the battery. It had retained its date and time settings, fortunately, but I had to re-log on. And well, it didn't go quite as well as you can see with the blue screen. Why it has that, I don't know. It will refresh sooner or later. Anyway, let's start the program. See if it manages to walk this time. But too much rattling of the gears. And I do not like that at all. And looking at the gears, they look fine to me so far. It's a strong material, although here I do see a little bit of damage maybe. But overall they are fine. With which I'm quite happy. But on the other hand, why do they rattle anyway? They are nicely in line. and all the clamps are in place again. Also here as far as I can see. So why indeed does it go wrong now? Okay, let's test with ROBOPro again. Counterclockwise. Oh, let me reset the counter, and the counter is standing on 132. I reset it, and now both motors counterclockwise. Why is it walking backwards now? Okay, clockwise then. Okay, stop it, stop it. Why does it do this? Alright, another attempt. But now with the software again. It should walk forward, not backwards. And it's not connected right now. Now it is, and it says okay, not connected anymore. And pick done, so it has no connection to the camera. One more time. There we go. There it goes again, rattling all over. But not all the time. Alright, let me stop it. Here the feet are going away. And that is the only spot that I don't have two hooks. I'm one hook short, unfortunately. Is that the culprit? No, because right there on the left front side the feet are not in place either. So a few problems. Its walking is erratic. The feet need improvement. And why the difference between ROBOPro and my own software? It did well before, or quite well. Or let's say it did better. Okay, one more test then. Yeah, a test with ROBOPro. Counterclockwise. Oh, now the counter for C4 says 900 and the other one is 0. Oh, that may indicate that there is something not quite right here. But why and how? Reset and clockwise go. Let me painfully ignore the camera or the rattling right now. Yeah, you can see the feet here make absolutely no use at the moment. Okay, never mind. Need for well, food for thought, and about a lot of things. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. You can also follow me on Twitter. If so, retweet and like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Like and leave a comment. Please donate to keep videos coming to you. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned either just on my website or with my videos, depending on the pledge you make. More information on donating and becoming a patron on my website. And needless to say, this is going to be continued. Bye bye.